Time now for Better Money Boston. I'm here with Nick Colantuono. He's a certified financial planner with Johnson Brunetti. Now, there are very many ways to get financial advice for retirement, but the big question is who to trust. So when it comes to discovering, are you going to make this a DIY project? Are you going to hire a financial planner? There are a lot of questions to ask about this. Nick, how should we be thinking about it?
You're exactly right, Megan. There are certainly a lot of factors to consider. Cost is certainly one of them, but you have to be mindful of the fact that there can also be a cost when it comes to not having a plan in place. I think the first thing everybody needs to really look inward and be honest with themselves about is, what is your level of financial expertise and acumen? And when you enter this phase of life where, let's call it what it is, Megan, all the money you have is all the money you'll have, and you need to make sure it's going to last as long as you will, you really need to make sure that you're not going to mess that up.
Okay, so that sounds like having a very honest conversation with yourself. Then there's the time factor, Nick.
Absolutely. People want to retire because they're sick of the full-time job. The last thing you want is another full-time job, having to manage not only the investments, but all the other things that we're helping folks with as financial planners. Things like Medicare, things like estate planning, things like income planning and taxes and gifting and insurance planning. Needless to say, a lot gets thrown at you. So you really need to be mindful of the time that it would take to approach all that on your own.
Okay, and then I'm always reminded of the fact that we are human and therefore we're emotional creatures, Nick. There's no way around that. And I would imagine emotions can sometimes play a role here.
They often play a role, not just with everything going on in the world today, but think about the fact that retirement can be 20, 30 years. A lot's going to get thrown at you along the way. Life happens in different waves. Unfortunately, there are some difficult conversations that we have to have. And if there's no one there to hold you accountable and help manage those emotions for you along the way, you can really be missing out on a few critical things that could make big improvements over the long run.
All right, you've given us a lot to think about. You've also brought a free book. Tell us about it.
We sure have. This is the People's Retirement Handbook. It really dives into the emotional journey that our clients face in those retirement planning years. We'd love for everyone to get their hands on it.
Great book. It is free to you today as a viewer. So go to bettermoneyboston.com right now to receive it. Again, go to bettermoneyboston.com. We'll see you next week.